Hey everybody, Dominoes 7 here. Alright, I haven't done a vlog in a while, okay? So, alright, today, we started the season 36 of the season premiere of Jeopardy. Okay, season 36. I enjoyed that though, you know. Jason finished with a runaway, okay? So, how many of y'all enjoyed that? Hope y'all did, okay? So, let's see who gonna defeat Jason. Will he get defeated tomorrow or day after tomorrow, okay? Let's see, okay? So, he was a James Hosau replacement last season, as y'all know, okay? So, we gonna see James Hosau in the Tournament of Champions, but we gonna see Jason and, Jason, Sam, and Ryan in the next Tournament of Champions. Not this Tournament of Champions, but the next one, okay? Alright, so I'm getting ready to watch Wheel of Fortune, okay? Season 37, season premiere of Wheel of Fortune, okay? See y'all there. See y'all after the show.